I saw this comment from NASA asking me how to buy Monero with CC without OTP verification. NASA, this video is for you. If you're new here and want me to make a particular video for you, go ahead to subscribe and drop it in the comments section. So in this video, I will cover buying Monero, storing it, and using it. NASA, per close attention. Firstly, where can you buy Monero? Now Monero has been delisted from a lot of exchanges, but in my opinion, that's actually good. It means that big crypto exchanges don't hold or manipulate Monero. If you want to buy Monero, I would recommend local Monero. They aren't sponsoring this video. I just like their service. You can buy Monero with a ton of different payment methods, and it's peer-to-peer. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. And they even have an onion link. If you don't want to use local Monero, then there are some Bitcoins. There are some crypto exchanges that allow you to exchange your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency for Monero. I don't have a favorite, but I've used fixed floats and changes now, and they worked. But where should you store your Monero? For most people, the official Monero wallet is the best option. Don't forget to verify your downloads. If you want something prettier or you want a mobile wallet, then My Monero is the best option. It's beautiful, in my opinion, and it has a mobile version. Now we get to spending Monero, and this is where it becomes harder. The three best VPNs, AirVPN, iVPN, and Movad, all accept Monero. And I also accept Monero for donations, and freelance marketplace platform, Rolladell.com accept Monero. But when it comes to actual products besides these platforms, it becomes tricky. For hosting, there are good options. Ninjala and Kazuki's Little Onion server, I think, are both accepted Monero, but they are both on the dark web, where a lot of Monero transactions happen. On the ClearNet, though, Monero is rarely accepted. There is a site Cryptwork that lists all the sites that accept Monero, but there's not a lot. Most merchants that accept crypto, like Crypto.com, don't accept Monero, as the companies that they use to accept crypto have delisted Monero. There is a partial solution, crypto gift cards and Bitcoin. There are some websites that allow you to buy gift cards with crypto, but technically you're not spending Monero, you're spending fiat or company's fiat. You can also convert your Monero to Bitcoin through those crypto exchanges mentioned previously, but then you're spending Bitcoin. Overall, we need more companies to accept Monero. If you have a small business or know somebody who does encourage them to accept Monero, if you have Monero, contact at Rolladell support on Telegram, and they will guide through. Also, if you know any useful site that accepts Monero, let me know in the comments. Let's spread Monero. Before I go, I want to use this opportunity to tell you that there's so much I can't share on YouTube, whether it's because of platform rules or because some skills need deeper hands-on explanations. Many of my videos got deleted, and that's why I created a Policy Point learning community for you, a place where I can share everything. When you join, you're not just getting another course, you're getting access to complete ethical hacking guides, the tools and techniques I wish someone had handed me when I was starting out. And here's the kicker. This is the stuff I don't teach on here. No watered-down content, no clickbait, just raw, actionable knowledge. On top of that, you'll join an exclusive community on Discord. I pinned the link in the comments section below, but it's not for everyone. The link is only available for those who are serious about the journey. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing or donating. I make videos about crypto, privacy, and tech. See you next time and have a great day.